Okay, now that we have our pattern tile created, let's go ahead and add it to a page. I'll do that by going to File, New, and then I want to choose Print, and for the page preset, I want it to be Letter, and RGB 8.5 by 11 portrait with a DPI of 300. And then I'll press OK. All right, now I can simply drag and drop that Affinity file right into my document. And then I can duplicate it by pressing and holding Option and dragging until the green and red lines show up. And next I can do Command J to put that pattern all the way across my page. And now I'll press Command A to select all of the pattern tiles I have on the page so far, and then press and hold Option and drag it down until my lines, my red and green lines line up. Now I can again press Command J to fill my page. Okay, now what if I see this pattern and I'm thinking, it's not colorful enough, or maybe I don't like the way some things are set up. It's real easy. I can simply double click one of the tiles, and then I can go in and change things. Like say I wanted these 3 dots to have a different color. I can move to my swatches panel, ungroup them, select each of the dots, and let's change those to blue. Okay, and then I need to change these ones as well, right? So I'll select all 3 and I'll change those to let's say green. All right, and I'll leave those ones yellow. But then I want this flower. Now I can't change this daisy because it's a PNG file, right? But I can change this one because it's an embedded file. So I will move to this little cloud shape here, and I'm going to change that color to blue. Now I'm going to move back to my document. Where is my document? There it is. And you can see that I've made those changes. Now, one other thing I wanted to show you, we'll move back to that embedded tile. I'll get rid of that one there. And I have these lined up perfectly, right? So they're halfway through. But what if I wanted to make them not halfway? I can go ahead and select one, press and hold Shift, select the other, and then I can move it up or down. And they aren't perfectly halfway that way, but they will still work in the pattern, and I'll show you. Okay, and then I'll just move some of these other elements around, how I think they might work better. And let's take a look at it again. So we'll go ahead and go with that. All right, now we're going to go ahead and save this pattern by going to File, Save As, and I'm going to save it as an Affinity file first. So I will call it Flower Pattern Sheet. Whoops. And press Save. And then I'm also going to save this as a PNG file that I can use to fill shapes. So to do that, I'll go to File, Export PNG, and press Export and save. Okay, next up, I'll show you how to use this pattern inside a shape.